The soup is spicy. Yung sambal is spicy. Then this one is spicy. Oh my god.
And luwak coffee.
Oh, this is good. This is good. Oh my gosh. Let's go. So it's 2 a.m. Pick up time for the tour today. Pupunta daw kami ng, ano yun, Mount Batur to catch the sunrise. Tapos after that, pupunta sa coffee farm and magka-coffee. Ayan lang. See ya. Let's go, let's go. Park na rin yung mga ibang 4x4. Look, so we have noodles, instant noodles, and hot chocolate. It's just instant, pero ang lamig kasi. So, yeah, let's go. And look, it's cute. It's folded. Cutie. Okay, let's eat. So, the sunrise daw is around 6 a.m. It's just around 5, so we'll wait for around an hour. For now, let's eat. This is soto. It's good. Medyo maasim-asim siya. It's like pansit canton na calamansi na may sabaw. Time check is 6:02. Actually, kanina nakita ko medyo nagpinky siya ng konting-konti lang tapos nawala. Ayun, so mukhang it's not our day. Cloudy siya, so mukhang hindi namin makikita yung sunrise.
We drink for the diabetic and cholesterol. This is a baby cacao and become big, yeah. To harvest, we can do more often because cocoa have a flower around the years. And this is how the cocoa looks like inside of the fruit, yeah. Already have many sizes. So from that bean we ferment it first and then we dry, so become like this after dry. And then we just roasting, so become like color and coming the smell. And here we have also turmeric, and then this one ginger and cinnamon. Yeah, we just dry to make powder to make the tea. Because in Bali we don't have tea plantation. Yeah, so these spices we drink, we call it the tea. And this is the pupu coffee, the luwak beans. The coffee come out is still whole bean like this. Yeah, that's how the bean that we find from the wild. And then we wash it using hot water. After wash and dry, the color of coffee is become like this. And this is the bean when already washed and dry from the luwak. And then this one, just the normal coffee. Yeah, for the luwak coffee, there's the bean also come out, still got the shell. So we have to peel the shell to take the inside. Yeah. So this is the bean that we process to make the powder coffee.
Okay.
So it's very clean, yeah, because the shell is protect the coffee bean inside. Just same like normal coffee, but if you comparing, like from the color is green color, and the size of the bean also more bigger size. Yeah, I think because
okay.
the big is the best one. I think more big the size of coffee have more fruity taste for the luwak. But also not only eating coffee, the animal also the luwak they eat fruit like banana, papaya, jackfruit like that. Yeah.
They eat
So
a lot.
that's why the quantity of this coffee very less than the normal coffee. This is the coffee bean after we roasting from the luwak. Yeah. So we
Oh.
do roasting with the shell. Later, just we peel it the shell after the roasting, like easier. Yeah, to remove the shell. Now this one luwak coffee. And this is the normal coffee. To compare. The color also like yeah, more brown, not so dark like the normal. The taste is not really bitter. I mean, have a smoother taste than the normal because I think the acidity that make it the coffee not getting so burnt when we roast it. You want to smell? This is normal.
We could actually smell it already.
Yeah, normal coffee, and this is luwak coffee. Yeah, not really sweet.
Gusto ko yun. Yung amoy stronger yung normal na amoy.
If you like strong coffee, it's good to drink the normal one. Like have more caffeine also, so good to drink in the morning.
Okay. So if gusto mo ng lesser yung luwak.
Okay, now we have the tester downstairs, yeah? May we try our coffee, tea, and everything.
So, ang mga matitikman natin are we have Bali coffee, Bali coconut, Bali vanilla, ginseng, mocha, avocado, wow, and a lot more. So yeah, let's wait.
And luwak coffee.
So you no longer brew it? Everything is in powdered already?
Everything in powder already.
Ah.
So just like need to add hot water. Yeah, our tea, the sweetness, we're using honey.
Okay. So there's no sugar.
No sugar. Just the pandan, yeah? Pandan, this is with soya milk and coconut sugar. So the taste is like caramel.
With coconut sugar.
Yeah, we're using this one. This is the coconut sugar. It's made from the sap of the coconut flour. A more healthy sugar. Without milk, without sugar. Strong.
It's really strong. Without milk and without sugar.
Yeah.
This also comes in powder, right?
In powder form. Yeah. We're using soya milk because sometimes people when come here they are allergic with dairy milk. So we're using soya milk powder.
So it's like instant milk with instant coffee with soya milk.
Yeah.
Healthier version.
Yes.
Wow. Bali vanilla coffee.
Same also. Ingredients soya milk, coconut sugar.
Soya milk and coconut sugar. So you use either honey or coconut sugar.
For the flavor coffee, we use more coconut sugar, and then for the tea, we using honey. Because the tea that is like herbal drink is good health for your body.
You can really taste the vanilla here. Plus it's very creamy. Vanilla ginseng coffee, so it have ginseng?
Have a ginseng powder.
Oh.
Like all of them, to make the flavor, we're using powder. That is good also for energy and blood circulation.
I like this.
Have like little bit nutty flavor.
Yes, the nutty flavor. This one is the Bali mocha coffee. It's also good. Everything is good. This is Bali avocado coffee.
Avocado coffee.
Curious
We're
ako.
using from the young avocado fruits.
Not the ripe ones.
Not the ripe one because we need to make the powder.
Ah,
When already ripe, it's too soft and
Okay.
wet and that. Yeah.
It's nice that you can taste all of the flavors in the coffee. It's not overpowered with the coffee. Bali cocoa, cacao. Wow, okay.
That is also pure chocolate. Just
Yes,
powder,
no milk and no sugar. Is it also strong? I wish it's strong.
Yeah, like dark chocolate, yeah, 100% dark chocolate.
There's no bitterness in the chocolate.
Yeah.
Why there's no bitterness in your chocolate?
I think when we do fermented like that, yeah, so we take out the sour things of the cacao.
Well, fermentation.
Yeah, so that's why like when we roasting, it's not very burn like that.
Ah, okay.
It's not really bitter, I think.
Bali spice tea. This is the one with ginger, etc.
Yeah, that is like mix it with different spices, turmeric, cardamom, tamarind, and honey.
Oh, this is good. This is good. Oh my gosh. This is good. It's not too sweet. It's not too sweet. This is so good.
Plus, that is good for the sore throat.
It has a very strong scent. You can really smell the lemongrass. But it's in a good way. I think this will also taste good even with ice.
Yeah, more refreshing, yeah.
Yes, actually. Do you use like the yellow ginger here?
No, the yellow ginger, the normal one, we use a lot for cooking. Also, we use for the tea. But this is we using the special one that is the red ginger.
A red ginger. In the Philippines, we call this salabat.
Salabat.
Yes.
Spicy, yeah.
Yeah, but it's good. Mangosteen. This is the one that you said that tastes like.
That is like a grapes juice.
So this is the one that tastes like grapes. There you go. It have a very fruity flavor. Will also taste good even with ice, either hot or ice. Then, second to the last is Rosella tea. What is Rosella?
That is hibiscus flower.
Hibiscus.
Yeah, flower, yeah.
Oh, it's good. It tastes like grapes. It tastes like grape juice. Does this have sugar?
No, honey.
Honey. It's good.
For the high blood sugar, that the tea is good. Like mostly people drink Rosella in here. That is good like for the high blood pressure. Also like for the people have the cholesterol, heartburn, like that. They choose the Rosella to drink.
And for diabetes?
Diabetes also. Mangosteen that also good because that more high also antioxidant. Yeah.
It smells sweet.
That tea mixes with coconut sugar and soya milk.
I love the tea. So those are the favorites. Bali spice tea, Bali mocha, and Bali ginseng. Yeah. Let's go. They also sell chocolate, guys. So they have dark orange, vanilla, cinnamon, cappuccino. Oh, there's salt. Parang feeling ko gusto ko yung salt. And chili. Nice. And it's for 100,000 rupiah. Let's taste it. Salt is also good kasi hindi mo naman masyadong malasahan yung salt. Napapababa niya yung sweetness. I'm eating now the chili. May konti siyang kick. Interesting. May anghang. So yeah. We're going to the falls now, guys. Then after, we're going to have brunch. We're going to eat Balinese Lechon. What do they call it? The Balinese Lechon?
Babi Guling.
Babi Guling.
It's one of the most famous food. I think it's everybody's favorite in Bali.
Ah!
Yes, because the majority we have here is Hindu, so we eat pork.
What is usually... what is the difference of Balinese Lechon? Like,
beg your pardon?
what is the difference of Balinese Lechon than other roasted pigs?
I think we have pretty much variants of the meat, as we have optional days. Some of those are grilled, some of those are how do you call that, fried, and some of those also, how do you call that things, roasted. Yeah, that is probably the best way to say it.
It is also cooked differently per restaurant.
Yes, different.
Okay.
This is still manual traditional way of cooking we have in Bali, which people are still using their hand to roast the pig instead of machines.
Okay.
So,
Manual roasting.
yeah,
With the
manual
bamboo.
roasting with the bamboo.
Okay. We also do that in the Philippines.
Yes, that's what I heard. Yeah, yeah. I hope that you'll be satisfied with this Balinese lechon. You will try.
Filipinos love lechon.
Yeah, that's what I heard. I hope you're gonna love this too.
We sure will. So first we pay for the ticket. The doors are so cute. Love it. Ay, loko, ang cute to. Cute. There's a lot of restaurants here. So it's just around 10 to 15 minutes walk. Ala, look at the toad. So while walking, papunta ng falls, ang daming mga stores like may gelato, western food, Indonesian food. And it's very relaxing kasi may mga insenso. Whoa. I'm scared. Okay. Usually, I'm scared sa mga gantong bridges, but this one is very stable. It's not shaky. So yeah, it's a green light. Oh my gosh! Can you see that? Can you see that, guys? It's a spidey. A big spidey. In fairness, ang stable ng bridges. Kasi diba usually, scared ako sa ganito. Ay, actually, this one is not so. Nagbe-bend siya, pero yeah, tolerable, I think. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay. Okay, okay. What's it? Ay! 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 Bakit ka may eyes? Ano yun yung alaga ni Naruto?
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things.
Last stop for the day. Kain na. Eat, eat, eat. So, we're going to eat the lechon. Are you ready to go lechon? Are you ready to sleep? Yeah. So, day 1, pagod. Day 2, mas pagod. Abangan natin sa day 3. Oh, wow! It's like a food court. Merong drinks. Uy, there's a whole lechon there. Daming coconuts.
Yeah.
Yeah, mas mahangin.
Good and fresh.
Yes.
Main dish. The rice separated.
So these are the food. It's lechon, Babi Guling with two slices of skin. Crispy skin, tapos may vegetable and other meats. This is a soup. I'm not sure ano yung base niya, but yeah, let's try. Well, this one is a satay. And buko juice for me.
Like
Okay.
that. So you have the taste of the sambal.
Ah, so this is sambal.
Sauce, yeah.
Ah, okay. So this is not spicy. This is spicy.
Not, it's still spicy, but not too.
Sambal. Okay.
That one super.
Then the soup, you put it on the rice. Okay. Let's go. Let's eat. Let's try one big bite. The soup is spicy. Yung sambal is spicy. Then this one is spicy. Oh my god.
Everything is spicy.
Everything is spicy. It's okay. The satay is good. Hindi sila spicy. So, and it's flavorful. Just make sure na hindi hahalo sa kanila yung sambal sauce. So guys, apparently, this is not intestine. It's actually meat. Okay, ayaw niyo magpatusok. I'll show it to you. Yeah, look. It's meat. And it's flavorful. Sarap niya, in fairness. For dessert, guys, I also have a lot of gelato flavors from green tea to pistachio, my favorite, coffee, and even mango. I'ma try the gelato. Excuse me. How much for the gelato? How much? How much?
28 for two
Two scoops.
Yeah,
Can I have two different flavors? Two different flavors. I want the one green tea. One scoop of green tea, one scoop of pistachio. Yes. Okay. Then they also have crepes. Natatempt na ako. Eclair, different kind of donuts and breads, and even a Japanese cheesecake. So yeah. So I got gelato again. Guys, ang sarap ng mga gelato nila dito. I got the green tea and the pistachio. Grabe. It's not just artificial flavoring like real pistachio. It's good. Super good. We think na ubusan na kami ng kuryente, guys. Bigla namatay yung aircon, so hindi na niya kaya. Medyo malamig pa naman, so idlip muna tayo. Mamaya na lang tayo bumili. Patay mo na lang ilaw. Baka masagad. For context, guys, kasi ang kuryente dito, di ba? Ang gulo. Ang kuryente dito is prepaid. So, iidlip lang muna kami. Mamaya na kami bibili because we're tired. Look at my nails. Okay, good night. So, it's the second day. We're going to silip yung kuryente natin. 201. 27.92. 27.92. So, kahapon is nasa ilan yan? 30 something kagabi. So, we're going out for dinner. Nag-book na lang kami ng Maxim na motor ulit. Ba't di pantay yung cup ko? The Maxim na motor, tapos around 33 pesos lang siya. Diba ang mura? So, waiting now for the Maxim na bike. Nauna kasing dumating yung kay Monique. So, roughly parang 6 minutes pa yung akin. So, nauna na siya. And, yeah, magmuni-muni muna tayo. Ito na. Ito na ata siya, guys. Maxim? Yeah? So, guys, the menu online is not complete. So, better to check their menu inside. At first, akala namin puro seafood lang yung laman ng menu nila. But, here they have actually more though. Aside from seafood, they have chicken lang. So, yeah, if you love beef and pork like us, I think you should also check other resto. But, yeah, we decided to try. Let's go. One chicken teriyaki and one
grilled chicken mashed potato and
Yes.
spicy salmon roll with pancake bread on the side.
Yes, thank you so
Thank
much.
you so
Thank you,
much.
thank you. So now we got chicken teriyaki with potato marbles. It doesn't come with rice, pero you can order naman extra rice. So ang rule talaga natin dito, guys, is tayo yung tagakain ng vegetables. Yan. Masarap naman.
Masarap yung teriyaki sauce.
Guys, that is cheese. For the chicken teriyaki, the teriyaki sauce is good. It's not too sweet and yeah, it's not salty at all. It's very flavorful. Sakto lang. But their chicken, this is Thai fillet. It's very dry. So, wala na yung pagka-juicy ng chicken, which is sayang. Then, the potatoes, medyo matigas pa siya and I think a little more salt will do. Yun lang. But, yeah, sayang. Sarap nung sauce. I'm going to pour the sauce na. Since natikman ko na siya without the sauce. The mashed potato is creamy. Though, okay naman siya along with the chicken. Kaso, on its own, medyo kulang siya sa salt. But yeah, let's try it. So, the overall flavor with the sauce is actually much better. Though, if you don't like something very creamy as an ulam or as a dish in general, I would not recommend this because yeah, it's very creamy. But for me, I love creamy stuff. So yeah, cheers for the mashed potato. So now, mag-walk kami papunta sa Ohana Coffee Shop. I'm too busog. Daming dairy. Puro dairy. It's not a good idea. Grabe, no? Ah, ito na yun? Oh. So, it's close. Maghahanap kami ng iba pang coffee shop. So, there's an app here kung saan pwede kang mag-rent ng mga e-scooters like that. It's called GoTo. Ganda ng neighborhood na to. Sa liit na kalsada. Para tong ano, alam mo yung mga maliliit na coffee shop sa mga old town. Cute. Wala, close na daw. Saan tayo magkakape? Mukhang bukas na lang mga inuman. Okay, let's try more. Eto, ano ba to? Parang mall to. Ito yung mga pagod. Mag-work pa ba tayo? Tulugan na. So I got a problem with the pocket Wi-Fi that we got. Girl, konting emosyon.